Okay, can everybody hear me? Hello? Hello, test, test. Test, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Kayaknya ada gangguan teknik. Halo, halo. Tes, tes. Tes, 1, 2, 3. Tes. Halo, tes. Tes, tes. Audio mixer, audio input capture. Oke. Ya. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik teman-teman. Oke, kembali lagi ke class of TOEFL class ya. Ini. Baik, kemarin kita bahas tentang simple past ya. Tapi yang masih beginner. Oke, itu yang masih beginner simple past. Sekarang kita masuk ke simple past atau past tense ya. Past time. Tapi ini yang kita agak lebih susah ya. So this is more into intermediate part ya. Karena saya anggap bahwa teman-teman di sini yang untuk tensesnya yang present, yang sekarang ya, itu saya anggap sudah paham. Sekarang saya akan membahas lebih lanjut tentang past time ya, atau past tenses. Oke, kita mulai ya. Ini ada 12 section. Ada 11 section. Oke, for review, kita tahu bahwa ini present tense dari verbnya adalah verb 1. Okay. Alda rides the bus to work. Okay, Alda rides the bus to work. Yesterday it rained and her clothes got wet. Today she is taking extra clothes to work. Jadi ini karena ada membahas kemarin, itu dari awal kalimat sudah dijelaskan bahwa kata yesterday. Nah, kemarin itu adalah hujan, rained, maka pakainya ed ya. And her clothes got wet. So past tense dari get is got. Okay. So here is the past tense. Nah, past tense-nya adalah yang rained and got ya. Yang present itu yang blue ya. Jadi yang present tense is the blue color and the past tense is the green color. Okay, so we graduated from college in 2007. Okay, we graduated. Nah, dimana tahu ini present atau past? Dari kalimat graduate. Nah, kalau graduate aja itu present. Tapi karena ada graduated, nah it's a past form. Okay, so past simple kita udah paham ya. Kemarin ada misalnya eat, ate ya, and then kata yesterday ya. Jadi kalau ada kata yesterday, ago, last ya, itu adalah bentuk kalimat past. Our family ate lunch outside yesterday. Adirana studied English for 6 hours last Wednesday. Okay, our family ate lunch outside yesterday. Adirana studied English for 6 hours last Wednesday. Nah, simple past ini selalu ada keterangan time ya, atau adverb of time. Activities or situation began and ended in the past. Nah, jadi kegiatan simple past itu adalah situasi di mana mulai dan berakhirnya di waktu lampau. Okay? So it started and it ended in the past ya. Jadi kegiatan di mana dimulai dan berakhir di waktu lampau. Okay, and then we watched the movie last night. Alexandra answered the question yesterday. Okay, watched plus ed is watched, and then answer plus ed is answered. Okay, sorry guys, saya seling dengan minumannya karena saya baru selesai ngajar. Okay, ya, dimana word that ended with ed ya itu adalah basically past tense ya. Atau kita paling gampangnya tuh ngelihat dari adverb of time. Please make sure the sentence, kalimat itu kalau bentuknya adalah past itu selalu ada kata adverb of time, keterangan waktunya ya. Last night, yesterday ago ya. We slept in tent at camp last summer. Sleep, slept. Okay, we slept in tents at camp last summer. I understood most of the direction yesterday. Okay, irregular past ya, bentuk kata yang tidak beraturan ya. Jadi yang tidak beraturan itu maksudnya apa? Dari kata dasar ke kata yang baru atau verb 2 and verb 3 itu tidak sama ya. Jadi sleep berubah jadi slept. Understand berubah jadi understood. Eat berubah jadi ate. Nah, itu adalah bentuk kata dari irregular verb. Kalau regular, nah kalau regular ini selalu sama ya. Dari bentuk awal, bentuk dasar ke bentuk kedua dan bentuk ketiganya itu sama. Watch, watched, watched. Answered, answered, answered. Okay. And then I was a lifeguard last summer. They were in Belgium last month. Sorry. Past form of be, was, and were. Ya, jadi bentuk kata to be-nya ya, atau am, is, are. Kalau past itu menjadi was and were. We started school last week. Okay, and statement I, you, he, she, it, we, they started school last week. And then negative, of course, negative dengan kasih kata not ya. They did not start school last week. And then question, tinggal tambahkan did. Did I, did you, did she, did he, did it, did we, did they start school? Oke, di sini kenapa start nggak pakai started? Ya karena di sini sudah ada kata pastnya. Kata past yang dibantu adalah kata did. Nah, did ini adalah sudah past ya, dari kata do. Do itu adalah present. Past dari do adalah did. Maka di sini did not start ya, bukan did not started. Nah, itu adalah waste of word ya, buang-buang kata. Okay, it's a waste of word. Maka di sini did itu adalah udah bentuk lampau. She was sick last Monday. I, she, he, it was home last week. We, you, they were home last week. Yeah. So this is a statement ya. Was, okay. And then last week. Ada kata last weeknya. Okay. And then negative, ya, of course negative tinggal kasih kata not aja ya. Okay. Kita lanjut ke berikutnya. Sebentar. Apa SMS ya? Okay, and then was he, was I, was she, was it home last week? Okay, jadi ini bentuk be ya. Untuk negatifnya atau question, karena be ini adalah bentuk kata kerja bantu, auxiliary verb, maka tinggal kalau negatif ya tinggal kasih not ya. Tapi kalau question itu was-nya itu dirubah jadi ke depan. Sama dengan halnya dengan do. Okay, do, did itu juga adalah kata kerja bantunya. Okay, and short answer, yes, he was, yes, she was, he was, it was, no, I wasn't, she wasn't, he wasn't, it wasn't ya. Kalau negatif selalu ada kata not-nya di akhir ya. No, I was not. Was not itu disingkat jadi wasn't. Okay. And then we have 30. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's practice here. They were at the movie last night at 8. Okay. Negatifnya gimana? They were menjadi negatif weren't. Okay, karena dua orang ya, weren't, were not. Accurate or affirmative statement. They were at the grocery store last night at 8 o'clock. This airplane was made in 1625. Is. Okay. Kita pakai is. Negative time. This plane wasn't. Okay. Wasn't made in 1625. The aircraft statement. The airplane was made in 1943. Did Clara get a bad grade on her test? Get menjadi got ya. Did Clara didn't. Did ya sini. Didn't get. Okay, Clara didn't get a bad grade on her test. Accurate or affirmative statement. Clara did atau got. Clara got an excellent grade on her test. Okay, she talked to me for an hour. Talked. Okay, so talked with ed itu bunyinya talked with a t, bukan talked, no, tapi talked, not talked. Biasanya orang Indonesia talked. Ya. Oke, jangan ngeres. Oke, talked, stopped. Ya, jadi t-nya itu dibunyikan. Talked, stopped, talked, stopped, hissed, watched, washed. Okay, voiceless sound ed jadi t. Washed, watched, hissed, stopped, talked. Okay, jadi pronounce it ya itu pakai t. Oke, teman-teman, saat kita menggunakan conversation K-nya itu bunyi t. Okay. Voiceless sound ed itu adalah yang akhirnya k, p, s, sh, sh. Oke, jadi yang akhirannya k, p, s, ch, sh itu akhirannya pakai t. Okay. Called, rained, lived, robbed, stayed. Okay. Nah, ini yang bunyinya d. Voice sound d ya. L, called, rained, lived, robbed. They're all vowel sound. Okay. Stayed. And then ed, waited. Nah, ini bunyinya ed. Waited, needed. Okay, yang akhirannya t and d itu bunyinya ed. Waited, needed. Okay, behave. Behave pakai t, d atau ed. Behaved, d. Okay, behaved. Plan, planted, planted, okay, planted. And next we are learning to speak English. Okay, the end of a verb double the consonant. Yes. Nah, ini yang sering susah sekali bagi kami atau bagi kita ya yang tinggal di Asia ini untuk mengingat mana yang di double, mana yang tidak di double. Smile, smiling. Hope, hoping. Ya, berarti ini tidak di double ya. End of verb is e. Kalau akhirannya e itu tidak di double. Okay. Inform, drop the e at ing. Inform, drop the e at ing. Smile, smiling, smiled. Hope, hoping, hoped. Okay, no double ya, akhirnya tidak di double. Ed form, yes, add d ya. Two consonant, okay, double the consonant, no ya. Kalau dua huruf mati tidak di double ya. LMP, helping, learning. Two consonant, no in ya. Jadi kalau akhirnya ada dua huruf mati tidak di double. Helped and then learned, add ed aja. Okay. Now two vowel and one consonant. Two vowel and one consonant. Jadi dari kata dua huruf hidup ya di bagian mau akhir dan satu huruf mati tidak di double. Rain, raining, heat, heating. Two vowel and one consonant, ing, add ing aja. Rained, heated, tambahkan ed aja. Jadi no double ya. Nah di sini one syllable verb. Nah ingat one syllable verb ya. Kalau cuma satu suku kata ya di end of the verb akhirnya dari huruf kata kerja one vowel one consonant, satu huruf hidup satu huruf mati, maka akhirannya di double. Stop, stopping, plan, planning ya, p-nya di double, n-nya di double. Double the consonant and add ing. Stopped, planned. Okay, double the consonant, add ed. Okay, two syllable verbs kan, dua suku kata ya. The end of the verb one vowel one consonant, satu huruf hidup dan satu huruf mati. Okay, visit, visit. Yang ditekan apa nih? Visitnya, visit. Visiting, offer, offer, offering ya. First syllable stress ya, pada syllable yang pertama ditekan, tinggal tambahkan ing, and then offering juga tambahkan ing. Visited, offered, okay. Sini tinggal tambahkan ed aja. Prefer, preferring, two syllable verb, double the consonant, yes. So the end of the verb one vowel one consonant, satu huruf hidup dan satu huruf mati. Prefer, preferring. Admit, admitting. Second syllable stress, double the consonant. Oke, jadi penekannya di akhir. Prefer, admit. Preferred and admitted. Just add ed and or add ing. Okay, end of the verb y, then double the consonant no. Play, playing. Enjoy, enjoying. Play it and enjoyed. Oke, kemarin kan ini sudah ya, tapi ini kita review lagi supaya gampang ingatnya. Okay, and then worry, worrying, study, studying. Okay, consonant y, ing, tambahkan ing. Ini adalah sorry, this one is vowel, consonant, worrying, studying. Worried, studied. Nah, kalau studied ini y-nya berubah jadi ied. Okay, studied y-nya berubah jadi ied. Tapi kalau yang ing tetap sama. Study, worrying, studying sama. Tapi kalau ed ya y-nya berubah jadi i dan tambahkan ed. And a verb, i.e. die, dying, tie, tying, tie, the ending of y ya, tinggal ing. Oh, tie, i-nya ganti menjadi y and then plus ing. Died, okay, died ya tinggal add d aja. Died, tied, nggak pakai y, oke, nggak pakai y ini. Kata die and tie. Okay, let's practice. We have here raining and then rain it. Okay. Study, studying and then study it. Then lie, please don't lie to me. Lying and then lied. Okay, and the principal parts of adverb, the principal parts of a verb, they become friends. Okay, simple form, regular verbs. Okay, finish, hope, try. Okay, ini yang saya maksud dari kata yang verb peraturan ya. And then irregular verb, see, sing, and go. Simple form, no final s, ya, ed or ing. Okay, nah simple past sekarang. Regular verb tadi dari finish, jadi finished. Hope, jadi hoped. Try, jadi tried. Okay, irregular verb, okay, dari see menjadi saw, sing menjadi sang, go menjadi went ya. Oke, ini adalah kata kerja yang tidak beraturan, irregular verb ya. So it's different from the the original word ya. Kata irregular verb ini adalah kata yang tidak beraturan ya, maksudnya berubah dari what you call it, from the main, no, not the main verb, from the main word or from the basic word, basic word kayak see, nah, itu menjadi saw. Kata dasarnya ada see, tapi dia tidak see it, berubah tapi menjadi saw, maka itu namanya irregular verb, kata kerjaan tidak beraturan. Dari kata dasar verb 1, verb-nya ini, verb 2-nya berubah. Nah, past participle ini adalah bentuk yang ketiga atau sering sekali dinamakan adalah perfect tenses ya, past participle. See, saw menjadi seen. Tapi kalau regular verb sama, finished ya. Finish. Oh, sama. Dia tidak berubah sama sekali. Ya. Tapi kalau yang irregular verb dia berubah. Dari see menjadi saw dan menjadi seen, ya. Sing, sang, sung. Go, went, gone. Ya, tapi kalau yang irregular verb sama, tetap semuanya sama. Finish, finish, finish. Hope, hope, hope. Try, 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 try. So past participle ed for the regular verbs, and then perfect tenses or passive, ya, itu bisa juga, ya, adanya ed, atau yang kita mau melihat dari yang irregular verbnya. Oke, present participle, yang ing, ya, present participle itu adalah bentuk ing. Regular verb finishing, hoping, trying. Irregular verb seeing, singing, and going. Present participle ing for all verbs. Used with progressive tenses. Somebody spent all my money. Okay, simple form awake. Past form awoke. Past participle awoken. Nah, ini adalah dari kata irregular verb, ya, irregular verb ini. Nah, irregular verb preference list. Yang kemarin adalah regular. Oke, sekarang irregular verb. Somebody spent all my money. Kalau spend sama, spend, nggak berubah. Kenapa dia choose spend ya? Jadi spend ini adalah ada beberapa kata yang dari awal, walaupun itu bentuknya adalah di irregular verb, ya, dari kata dasar sampai ke kata yang past participle itu sama semua, ya. Itu ada beberapa kata, yaitu kayak put, and then cost, and then ini spend, terus let, ya, terus apa lagi ya, kemarin aku lupa, maybe di sini ada, ya, so we'll see. Okay, awake, simple past awoke, and then past participle awoken. Simple form forget, past form forgot, past participle forgotten. So it's not the same from 1, 2, and 3. It's not the same. Simple form save, past form shaved, and then past participle shaved atau shaven. Simple form throw, simple past threw, past participle thrown. I throw the ball to him. Yesterday I threw the ball into a window. And then I have thrown I have thrown a new basketball, maybe, atau I have thrown an expensive basketball. I have thrown an expensive basketball. Okay, let's try this one. Let's practice here. Simple form give. Kira-kira apa ya simple pastnya dari give? Ada yang tahu? That's right, gave. And then past participle dari give, gave, menjadi given. Yeah, give, gave, given. Okay, and then simple form dari sit. We have sat. And then past participle dari sit, sat, sat. Nah, ini sama. Sit, sat, sat. Okay. And then think. Simple past form dari think, thought. And then simple participle dari think, thought, same. Think, thought, thought. He ran to work yesterday. The simple past and simple past and the past progressive. He was running when the bus drove by. He ran to work yesterday. He was running when the bus drove by. Oke. Dari konsep kalimat ini, mana yang kejadian awal? Yang kejadian awal yang mana? he was running. Okay. And then tiba-tiba when the bus drove by. Okay, drove. So simple past, Edgar went to work yesterday. Pat drove to work this morning. Ini ada kejadian begin in the past and end at the past, ya. Kejadian yang dimulai di waktu lampau dan berakhir di waktu lampau. Began and ended at a particular time in the past. Okay. But the past progressive itu adalah Igor was running when the bus drove by. Igor, they were eating when I got home. So it was in progress, sedang berlangsung, tapi ada kejadian yang sesuatu yang memotong kejadian yang dari awal itu, ya. So past progressive. When the bus drove by, Igor was running. Atau the bus drove by while Igor was running. When, at that time. While is during that time. Okay, jadi when itu pada waktu itu. Atau sedang berlangsungnya, ya. During that time. At that time and during that time. When the bus drove by, Igor was running. The bus drove by while Igor was running. Okay. Tadi in this one, Igor was running when the bus drove by. They were eating when I got home. Jadi Igor sedang running, ya, lagi proses, and then when the bus drove by, jadi itu juga lagi proses, the bus juga lagi jalan, ya. Tapi kalau sini, when the bus drove by, Igor was running. The bus drove by while Igor was running. At that time, during that time. Okay. At that time and during that time. Same thing, ya. So you can use when, okay, when, yeah. Igor was running when the bus drove by. They were eating when I got home. Atau kita pakai while juga boleh, ya. When and while, ya. When itu at that time, while is during that time. Sama aja sih. The bus drove by while Igor was running. Sama, okay. Jadi ini meaningnya sama, okay. He wasn't studying. Okay, the form of past progressive. I, he, she, it atau I, she, he, it was talking. You, we, they were talking. Jadi kalau bentuk orangnya singular itu kita pakainya was. Tapi kalau orang bentuknya adalah plural kita pakainya were, ya. And then negatif of course kita tinggal dikasih kata not aja. Was I, was she, was he, was it? Okay. Were you, were we, were they talking? Short answer, yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. Or no, you weren't. Okay. Okay, let's practice here. Yesterday the camels walked in the desert. We're walking in the desert. At 8, we began to work. At 8:30, we were working. Spot was looking at Mac. Mac wasn't looking at Spot. We wasn't looking at Spot. Okay. Our son called while we were using the computer. Okay, expressing time using time clause. Our son called while we were using the computer. After I exercised, I took a shower. Time clause after I exercised. Dan main clause, ya, I took a shower. Oke, jadi ini adalah kalimat main clause, ya, dan time clause. I took a shower after I exercised. Jadi kalau main clause yang lebih dulu, ingat di bahasa Inggris itu selalu harus ada koma, ya. Begitupun juga dengan kalimat conditional. Kalau dia kalimatnya if dulu, ya, itu selalu harus pakai kata harus ada komanya. I took a shower after exercise. Ini nggak pakai koma. Main clause dulu dan time clause-nya kedua itu tidak pakai koma. Now time clause and main clause. Okay. A, time clause, main clause. B, main clause, time clause. Oke. Jadi yang time clause lebih dulu itu harus ada koma. Tapi kalau yang main clause lebih dulu tidak pakai koma, ya. I took a shower after I exercised. Then before I took a shower, I exercised. Oke, ada kata after, before, until, as soon as, while, and when. And then plus subject and verb, and then equal time clause. I exercised until I took a shower. As soon as I exercised, I took a shower. Okay, until, to that time, and no longer. Oke, jadi ada di sini kata until itu maksudnya adalah to that time, no longer. Kalau ada kata as soon as, it means immediately, ya. I exercised until I took a shower, to that time and no longer. I exercised until I took a shower. Jadi dia exercise until, ya, dia maksudnya until ini to that time and no longer, ya. At that time, as soon as, immediately after. As soon as I exercise, I took a shower. As soon as I exercise, I took a shower. I exercise until I took a shower. Oh, okay. To that time and no longer. Jadi sampai batas waktunya habis, ya. Jadi I exercise until, merasa dia udah puas, ya. Until I took a shower. Merasa dia puas berolahraga, baru dia took a shower, ya. As soon as I exercise, I took a shower. Immediately after. Nah, kalau di sini dia as soon as I exercised, I took a shower. Dia tuh segera, ya, selesai olahraga, dia segera langsung take a shower, ya. Jadi setelah exercise dia langsung segera take a shower, immediately after. Tapi kalau ini until, dia masih bisa sampai puas dulu, ya, sampai puas dulu olahraganya. Tapi kalau yang di F ini dia tuh mungkin belum selesai dengan exercise-nya. As soon as I exercise, I took a shower, ya. Jadi dia berolahraga dulu secukupnya atau keburu-buru, ya. Tidak secukupnya, keburu-buru gitu. Jadi maksudnya dia istilahnya as soon as, immediately after. Saya akan pergi ke sana as soon as I exercise and took a shower. Ya, maksudnya emang ada schedule untuk exercise ya, dan tiba-tiba ada yang memanggil dia. Nah, dia ini merasa belum puas dengan aerobik atau apa gymnya ya. Terus dia bilang, "Okay, as soon as I exercise for a bit, yeah, and then I took a shower. As soon as immediately I do my exercise, walaupun dia belum puas, and then took a shower and go." Tapi yang di atas, I exercise until I took a shower. It means that to that time and no longer. Ya, jadi dia merasa apa? Sepuasnya dia dulu exercise. Nanti kalau udah puas baru take a shower. Ya, tapi yang kalau yang F ini, dia emang ada rencana exercise, tapi merasa not apa ya, fulfill, tidak penuh bahwa dia apa do the gym correctly ya. Nah, bedanya itu. Kalau yang atas sampai puas ya, sampai dia udah capek banget ya, exercise. Tapi kalau yang F ini, the second sentence atau second statement, it means that he just do his exercises normally but not until fulfill, and then yeah, go on to the next one. Okay, next one. Mary came home while I was studying. When Mary came home, I was studying. Main clause, there's no comma, and time clause ya. Oke, kalau main clause lebih dulu tidak pakai koma. Tapi kalau time clause lebih dulu pakai koma ya. Time clause plus koma and main clause. When I rang the doorbell, it played music. When I rang the doorbell, it played music. When allow simple past in both clauses. Oke, jadi kalau kata when itu bisa kalimatnya dua-duanya menggunakan simple past. First, I rang the doorbell, then it played music. She was learning to ski while he was playing golf. She was learning to ski while he was playing golf. Two action at the same time, past progressive, okay in both. Jadi kalau kata while, sini while when. While ya, pakainya to progressive boleh. While we worked, our children attend school. While we were working, our children were attending school. Okay. Lynn was falling asleep. Oh, Lynn fell asleep while she was reading a book. Okay. First, I went shopping. Then I put the food away. After I went shopping, I put the food away. After I went shopping, I put the food away. Okay. Atau I put the food away after I went shopping. Okay, expressing past habit used to. Okay, he used to be a baby, but now he is a man with a family. I used to swim every afternoon. Now I work in the afternoon. Fatima used to play piano, but now she plays the violin. Jasmine used to laugh, but she doesn't anymore. Okay, used to in past situation no longer exists. Used to was simple form of a verb. Jadi kata used to adalah past situation no longer exists ya. Kata used to adalah suatu situasi in the past dan tidak ada lagi sekarang. Did you used to swim every afternoon? Or did you used to swim every afternoon? Did you used to or did you used to? Okay, did subject plus used to, or did subject plus used to, the same, ya, sama aja. I didn't used to swim every day, but now I swim every afternoon. Fatima never used to love school, but now she loves it. For negative ideas, never is more common. Okay, so for negative ideas, never is more common. I didn't used to swim every day, but now I swim every afternoon. Fatima never used to love school, but now she loves it. Oke. Jadi di sini ya maksudnya sama ya, ada kata didn't and ada kata never ya. Ini maksudnya sama. Tapi secara commonly speaking itu sering digunakan kata never. Okay, the children used to swim in the ocean. Correct apa enggak ya? The children used to swim in the ocean. No. Artinya swim. The children didn't used to swim in the ocean. The children didn't. Oh, sorry. The children used to swim in the ocean. Were you used to ask question in school? No. Did you used to ask question? Did you? Bukan were you. Did you used to ask question in school? Okay, that's the end of the past ya. Kita akan masuk the next one. The next one is let's go with future time then. Ya, kita akan masuk ke future time. Oh, wait a minute. 47. Okay, so last time, oh, already open? Okay, already open. Kita lihat dulu. Oh, past time. Oh, udah this one already. Oke, kita masuk yang beginner dulu ya, saya akan jelaskan. Pas udah. Oke, nggak apa-apa lah, kita masuk ke yang future time. Oke, kita masuk ke future time ya. Nah, ini future time. Ini bentuk yang intermediate. Oke. So we still have like 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes. Still 30 minutes of our time here. Oh, nanti kita lanjut lagi dari future time, is okay ya. Oke, teman-teman tunggu dulu, ini lagi processing. sometimes there are some file that cannot be opened. I guess maybe this is it. Ini nggak bisa dibuka jangan-jangan. Ini dia terus dibuka. Oke, future time. Ini adalah bentuk yang masa datang ya. Oke, review future time when blank he study. When is he going to study? When is he going? Nah, ini ada kata going to. Ini adalah the meaning of future. Going to ini the meaning of future. They are moving. They will be moving in a few weeks. They will be moving in a few weeks. Kata will ini juga future meaning ya. Ada going to and will in adalah future meaning. They are going to have a picnic in the park this afternoon. I'm going to get married in 1 hour. I will get married in 1 hour. Mayur is going to get married in 1 hour. Mayur will get married in 1 hour. Okay, expressing future time with be going to. Ya, be itu udah am is are. Ya. Ini persis kayak bentuknya adalah present progressive ya. Dimana ada kata to be, verb ing. Ya. Tapi di sini kita pakainya adalah going to, nggak ada verb ing-nya ya. I'm going to get married in 1 hour. I will get married in 1 hour. The same meaning. Ya. Begitupun juga dengan Mayur is going to get married in 1 hour. Mayur will get married in 1 hour. Will or be going to often have the same meaning. Okay. Sering sekali artinya sama. I shall get married in 1 hour. We shall get married in 1 hour. Use of shall, infrequent and formal. Nah, kata shall ini adalah bentuk formal dari kata will. Okay. Ini biasanya usually used in British style. Okay. Orang British sering sekali gunakan kata shall. It's going to snow again tomorrow. His mother is going to be 65 years old tomorrow. Her family is going to have a party. Okay, family is going to have a party. Incorrect, her family is going to have a party. Nah, salahnya adalah kata haves-nya ini ya. Okay, form with be going to. Am I? Oh, question. Okay, question. Kata tanda tanya ya. Question mark. Am I going to go to the party? Is he? Is it going to go to the party? Are they? Are we? Are you going to the party? Okay, I am not going to the party. It is not going to the party. They, we, you are not going to the party. Negative be plus not plus going to. Come on, we're gonna go to the party. Be going to sama artinya dengan gonna. Okay, gonna. Informal, not usually written. Jangan sekali jangan sekali menggunakan atau menulis dalam bentuk gonna gini ya. Gonna itu artinya sama dengan going to. Okay. I'm gonna take a break. Right now I'm so sleepy. Okay, we going to, we eat. Okay, what are we going to eat for dinner? What color we going to, you paint. What color are you going to paint your living room? What color are you going to paint your living room? Be going to and bark. Is that dog going to bark all day? Is that dog going to bark all day? And then the form of will, dinner will be ready in 1 hour. Statement, you, he, she, it, we, they will be home next week. Negatif, ya will not untuk menjadi won't. Will not be, won't be home next week. Okay, will you, will I, will she, will he, will it, will they, will we be home next week? Okay, short answer, yes. You will, yes I will, yes she will, yes he will, yes it will, yes they will. And then no, no I won't, no you won't, no she won't, no he won't, no it won't. Okay, contraction, I will, she will, he will, we will, you will, they will disingkat menjadi I'll. Tulisannya seperti ini ya, I'll. She will disingkat menjadi she'll. Tulisannya seperti ini, dan pronunciationnya she'll. I'll, she'll. He will disingkat, tulisnya seperti ini, bacanya he'll. We will, you'll, and they'll. Okay, pronounce will in speech and formal writing. Bob will jadi ball, Bob will. Tulisnya gini ya, tapi pronunciationnya we cannot say like I'll no atau will no. Ini Bob will. Okay, there's no bubble no. Bob will. The doctor will. The doctor no. The doctor will. Noun plus will usually only in speech. Yes. Jadi biasanya di speech ya. Bubble. The doctor. Ya, tapi penulisannya no, just will. Okay. Okay, contraction of she'll get married in 1 hour. The contraction of they will probably go to the party. They'll probably go to the party. The contraction of his mother is going to be 65 years old tomorrow. His mother is gonna. His mother will be 65. Going to be, we write it will, okay. His mother will be 65. Okay, sureness about the future. Sureness.